Hello, this is the Right Side Trader. Today is January 28th, 2026, and it's going to be a quick just look at the market at where it's at right now. This is all for educational purposes only, no trade recommendation, because as we all know, trading is risky. You can lose money at trading, so please check with your financial advisor. Please check with your significant other and make sure trading is something that is suitable for you. What I'll be doing is looking at my indicators that I use for my intraday type trading. And also on a VWAP line is on here. That's what you're looking at when it comes to indicators on the chart here. The SVE pivots are day pivots, and for my day trading, that's what I've been doing. That's what I've done today, and all. And it wasn't a great day for the bulls. Although, again, based on my trading plan and my trading strategy, I did do okay. And like I said, I usually just trade the first thing in the morning. And I played it to the upside. Again, this was the day to take just that 50 cents. I actually only really took 40 cents and all on the trade. But it got to the point, should I take the down trade? Should I take the down trade? Should I take the down trade? And I didn't take the down trade. But I'm looking at it now, and it's close to a point where, okay, this is what most traders do. You look at it, you say, oh, I should have taken that down trade. I should have taken that down trade. Or you should have took that up trade. You should have took that up trade. But you wait until it gets to the bottom, or you wait until it gets to the top. Then you want to play it in the direction that it was going. It's late. Especially for us scalpers. For scalpers, we got to be able to make those decisions quick. We're in those trades. We know exactly where we're going to go, and we're out of those trades and all. Let me zoom in here where you can see what I'm talking about, because I'm looking at another screen and all. I'm zoomed in now, and what I'm looking at this morning, I saw this stuff here happening. I was at this line here. This is a daily pivots, but we up at a resistance 2 level. I was kind of, yesterday I saw the market was getting above my, as you can see, my 630 is way down here. We up well above my 630 line. Now I'm thinking I'm in my, I know I'm not thinking, I can see based on my bigger time frame that I'm in my sell area, and I expect what is happening to happen and all. But I still see my little bullish little stuff coming in here, and I play it to the upside. I scalped my little 40 cents off here, just going from based on what I'm seeing down here and going back to this pivot and thinking that it can reach my H1 level. I started to go for my 50 cents, and it did give me the 50 cents. 50 cents was there and all, a little bit more, but I ended up taking 40 cents. That's just how I am. I just grabbed the sweet spot of the movement of the market. I'm thinking that's what I do, pretty consistent. But then I'm watching it, and on this candle here, I was thinking I had because again, it came back down here and all, and so I pulled it up, so I thought I had another trade to the upside. Didn't take it, because again, I was expecting what I see happening now and all. And then as I saw this happening now, I'm not that aggressive when it comes to the downside. But as you can see, let me erase some of this stuff because we're getting kind of messy here. We can see we have set a top. We can see we couldn't break this earlier market either. We can see the market was actually going down and all. So again, not breaking that top, kind of consolidating, a little 20-minute consolidation and off us intraday trading. That's a long time. You kind of expect to see what you expect seeing here. Target, you got this target. And I'll call according how good of an entry you got up here at the top. You could have came back down to a resistance 1 line. Resistance 2 line. That's what this is. Or you can actually even try to play it all the way down to a resistance 1 line if it's going to continue to go. And this right here is previous day high line right here. Will it come back down to previous day high? Because since it's gapped up a little bit and want to close some of that gap. But that's it. This is when you're day trading, you're intraday trading, scalping the market. This is the kind of style this is what I'm looking at and how I look at the market. I'm kind of doing this to kind of get my nephew to kind of like see the market. And again, I'm on a 5-minute time frame. I'm not on no 1-minute time frame. My 2-minute time frame, if I was entering the trade, and I'll be looking at that. But kind of seeing the big picture and what's happening, this is good enough for what I'm doing, my little intraday type stuff. This is what I need to see. I'll zoom out to an hourly time frame. That's what I would do sometime, and not sometime, all the time. But this hourly time frame, the reason I'm doing that right now is just to show you this market had topped at all. It had consolidated for a few hours in the morning. This is 2 a.m. This is 8 a.m. We had 8:30. We probably that's 8:30 time frame. We had some crazy crap going on. This market is on its way down. And how far down are we going to go? How far are we going to pull back? I don't know. But again, there's that range. We broke that range. You could have. I'm gonna show you one other thing, since I will post this one out. I did one yesterday too. I'm not posting it out. And I want to do one other thing here. This is what we do. I like drawing these levels there and there. And the thing is, this is okay. If it breaks above there, I'm going long. You know, the market is getting ready to take off. And on my hourly time frame, I'm gonna edit properties. I want to make those lines something different than what I normally have on here. Go there and let's make it long. Make it green. And yeah, that's green dash, that small dash. That'd be okay. That's it. And if I go on short and all, edit, make it this. I'm gonna leave it red because that's how I usually do it. So now I know just now when I go back down to my lower time frame, 5-minute time frame, and zoom in here, and I can see these levels that I had on that higher time frame. You know, I'm a guy that I do not need things to be exact. I just need them to be close enough. And when I see things close enough, that's all I really need. And even if I had those, I didn't have these on my thing this morning. I was just looking at those levels that I just put there, and it would have gave me a little bit more information and would have showed me that I was coming back up into that consolidation area and it was selling back off. I was playing a good long up into that consolidation area. I did have a good buy, and playing back up to that was it for the trade. I'm glad I didn't try to go for $1, try to go for more, and thinking I can get through that area after I can see that it had been working in that area for a few hours this morning, and then coming below that area and not being able even to break on my H1 level. This should have been all day long a short trade. And short trade, you short guys like hanging on to this stuff all the way back down here to a resistance one. That's an all-day trade for you guys. All-day trade for me to at least to my L1 and all. And now we can see that it's actually going lower. And that's all I really want to share. This is the top of that VWAP line. And I'll right-click. Let me get here. Right click. Oh, it's not. Why is it not showing up? I'm pretty sure this is let me do it this way. I know it's wrong. Let's go back here. Let's go back here. Let's go here now. Oh, it still don't want to do right. There we go. Edit. This is the VWAP line anchored back there and all. And this is the top line of that VWAP line. To show you that, upper band red, lower band green. The VWAP line is actually purple. That's it. Just showing you that, showing this for us bulls is usually still always a trade there, but sometimes you're just not going to get as much as you think you can get. The day was more for the bears, and I started to put a video out yesterday saying, okay, we had our top. We did pop a little bit, and now we're beginning to drop. And how far is it going to drop? I don't know. It might come this back down to my 630, and I'll be looking for seeing us bounce here and go back up. But that's it. That's all I really want to share at this time. Just taking a look at the market and what was happening out here at this time. This is Right Side Trader. Hope you guys having a great week. Hope you guys having a great day, and I'll talk to you later. Have a good one. Bye. Subscribe, like. Thank you, new subscribers. Share.